Tired of your phone slipping off your magnetic car mount? The Scosche Replacement Kit offers a reliable solution with metal magnetic plates designed to stick firmly to any iPhone, Android, or tablet. These plates give your device a strong, lasting hold so you can drive with confidence and keep your hands free. What sets these metal plates apart is their heat-resistant, automotive-grade adhesive formula. Whether you're driving through hot summer streets or chilly mornings, the plates maintain a solid grip without damaging your device. Plus, they're 100% safe for all mobile devices, so you don't have to worry about interference or harm. The kit includes metal plates in various sizes, making it a versatile choice for phones and tablets of all shapes. You can apply the plate directly to your device or attach it to your phone case. This universal compatibility means you won't need multiple kits if you switch devices or cases down the line. Each metal plate comes with a protective film that acts like a double-sided sticky pad. This film not only ensures a secure mount but also lets you remove the plate easily without leaving residue or causing damage. It's a smart addition that protects your phone's finish while keeping the plate firmly in place. Included in the package are large and small magic plates, protective films, and an online user manual that walks you through installation. This thoughtful combination makes the setup quick and straightforward, even if you're new to magnetic mounts. One happy customer shared that these plates work perfectly with their Scosche magnetic car mount and make switching phones hassle-free. While the adhesive is strong enough to last, they recommend having extra pads on hand if you frequently change devices, a small consideration for such dependable performance. Backing your purchase is Scosche's lifetime tech support and a 3-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. If you ever run into issues or need guidance, expert help is just a call or click away. If you're ready to upgrade your magnetic car mount experience, the Scosche Replacement Kit is worth a look. It delivers what matters most: a strong, secure hold, device-safe materials, and easy installation. Try it when you're ready to keep your phone steady and accessible on every drive.